Good morning, students. I am NK Jha from APS. How are you? Well, and I am also well by the grace of God. I want to say something you because the running topic is English literature and in books we have to understand the story of the topic of the chapter. It's very necessary for all of you because it will create a lot of development in you. You will be improved a lot through that. So you will have to read the text again and again because it's your work, it's your duty. If you are not doing that means you are not right. You are doing wrong because you are reading in class 8 according to standard 8. You should maintain your routine life. This is the sign of good students. So I mean to say always you will have to take care about your study. And according to our standard, we should maintain, I think and I hope. So try to understand the matter because it's so important for all of us. Okay, so the running topic is the sniper. And sniper means a person who shoots his enemy from hidden position. And snipers usually work alone or in small teams. Snipers usually work alone. Sniper जो है सो हमेशा अकेला वर्क करता है या फिर स्मॉल टीम के साथ वर्क करता है. ओके, दैट्स वी हैव नोटिस्ड बिफोर दिस क्लास. ओके, दैट turret opened a man's head and soldiers appeared looking towards the sniper. The sniper raised his rifle and fired. turret जैसे ओपनड हुआ, एक आदमी का हेड मतलब सर एंड कंधा दिखाई दिया. लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द स्नाइपर, स्नाइपर के सामने था, आगे था. द स्नाइपर रेज्ड हिज राइफल एंड फायर्ड. स्नाइपर ने राइफल को रेज किया, उठाया और उसके ऊपर फायर कर दिया. The head fell heavily on the turret wall. The woman darted towards the side street. The sniper fired again. The head fell heavily on the turret wall. पर सर जो है सो बहुत ही मजबूती से गिरा, बहुत जल्दी. द वोमेन डार्टेड टुवर्ड्स द साइड स्ट्रीट. और वोमेन जो है सो साइड स्ट्रीट्स में वॉक कर रही थी, मतलब जा रही थी. द स्नाइपर फायर्ड अगेन. स्नाइपर ने फिर से एक बार फायरिंग की. द वोमेन व्हील्ड राउंड एंड फेल विद अ सिर्क इनटू द गटर. और वोमेन जो है जैसे ही स्नाइपर ने फायर किया, वोमेन जो है सो नाच करके, व्हील्ड मीन्स नाच करके, नाचना, नाचते हुए, एंड फेल विद अ स्ट्रेक इनटू अ गटर, और कहाँ गिर गई वो? नाले में गिर गई। गटर मीन्स नाला। Suddenly from the opposite roof a shot rang out and the sniper dropped his rifle with a curse. अचानक ही अपोजिट रूफ से शॉट रैंग मतलब एक आवाज़ आई, एंड द स्नाइपर, और आवाज़ सुनते ही स्नाइपर के हाथ से राइफल गिर गया। जैसे कोई कर्स है, कर्स के साथ गिर गया। द राइफल clattered to the roof. The sniper thought the noise would wake the dead. He stooped to pick the rifle up. He couldn't lift it. His forearm was dead. I am hit, he muttered. The rifle clattered to the roof. रूफ के ऊपर गिर गया। The sniper thought, स्नाइपर ने सोचा, the noise would wake the dead, कि नॉइज जो है सो wake the dead, the noise, the sniper thought the noise would wake the dead, noise से हम समझ जाएंगे डेड को। He stooped to pick the rifle up. He couldn't lift it. वह सोचने लगा कि हम जो है सो राइफल को ऊपर उठाएं, but he couldn't lift it मतलब उठा नहीं सका। His forearm was dead. Because his forearm was dead, he stooped to pick the rifle up. He couldn't lift it. His forearm was dead. I am hit, he muttered. कुछ बुदबुदाते हुए उसने कहा, he said, I am hit. Okay, dropping flat onto the roof, he crawled back to the parapet. With his left hand, he felt the injured right forearm. The blood was oozing through the sleeve of his coat. Oozing means बहना. He crawled back to the parapet. वह घसीटते हुए, लथपथाते हुए, crawl means घसीटना, घसीटते हुए पैराफेट तक आया। with his left hand, अपने लेफ्ट हैंड के सहारे। he felt the injured right forearm. वह अपने राइट फोर आर्म जो इंजर्ड था उसके बारे में सोचने लगा। द ब्लड वॉज ओजिंग, खून तो बह रहे थे। थ्रू द स्लिप्स ऑफ हिज कोट देयर वॉज नो पेन, जस्ट अ डेडनेस सेंसेशन एज इफ द आर्म हैड बीन कट ऑफ। उसमें कोई दर्द नहीं हो रही थी। देयर इज नो पेन, देयर वॉज नो पेन, जस्ट अ डेडेंड सेंसेशन, जैसे इट सिम्स दैट इट इज डेड एंड, कि यह मरा हुआ है, मर गया है। एज इफ मानो कि द आर्म हैड बीन कट ऑफ, कि हाथ जैसे कट गए हो। द आर्म हैड बीन कट ऑफ। क्विकली ही ड्रू हिज नाइफ फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट, opened it on the breastwork of the parapet and ripped open the sleeve. There was a small hole where the bullet had entered. On the other side there was no hole. The bullet had lodged in the bone. It must have fractured it. He bent the arm below the wound, the arm bent back easily. He ground his teeth. So, I mean to say the injuring about the sniper we have studied, and which kind of circumstances creates in front of him. We have to know, I think, not good conditions of स्नाइपर. एक बात तो सच्ची है कि जिस काम को आप कर रहे हो, दिस इज़ बैड वर्क, कि किसी के ऊपर गोली चला रहे हो, किसी को गोली मार रहे हो, किसी को मार रहे हो, किसी से झगड़ा कर रहे हो, ये सब बैड हैबिट हैं. तो जो पिस्टल चलाते हैं, आई थिंक उनकी मौत भी शायद उसी से होती है. जैसा कि एक स्नाइपर का आप देख रहे हैं कि उनके हाथ में जो है सो चोट लगी हुई है और उनके हाथ वुंडेड हैं, और वह जो है सो अब ऐसा महसूस होता है कि वो नहीं, हाथ ही जिंदा नहीं है, और उनके आर्म मतलब भुजा बाँह को क्या ऐसा महसूस होता है कि कट गया है. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी ट्रैजिक moment for sniper, and I think it is occurred in Dublin at that time. Dublin time was bad, Ireland time was bad, because it is occurred in World War First, and at that time the author, the writer composed it and wrote about the snipers, and this chapter refers the condition of snipers and which kind of thought they have. It's very very necessary, and they have to decide as soon as about and according to circumstances, according to situation. According to situation we have to decide, we have to analyze about it. So very very tragic moment for the person, one who lost the forearm, left hand, right forearm, not left hand, right forearm, and blood was oozing through the sleeve of his coat. मतलब खून बहे जा रहे थे. There was no pain, लेकिन दर्द था ही नहीं. It was deadless, sorry, it was dead end. This is dead end sensation, as if the arm had been cut off, मानो कि आर्म कट गया हो. So in next class, page number 3, we shall try to understand now some more parts. We can try to read quickly. He drew his knife from his pocket. जल्द ही पॉकेट से जो है सो नाइफ निकाल लिया. Quickly he drew his knife from his pocket, opened it on the breastwork of the parapet. A special word meaning breastwork, and parapet means मैं उस दिन बता दिया था, otherwise आप अपना देख लो फिर. And ripped open the sleeve, SLEVE, and ripped also. But this is verb. Okay. There was a small hole where the bullet had entered. On the other side there was no hole. The bullet had lodged in the bone. It must have fractured it. He bent the arm below the wound. The arm bent back easily he ground his teeth to overcome the pain. From this passage, and in this passage, how many tough words, how many hard words for you. You will have to note it and you will have to consult from dictionary and write the meaning of this hard word, because it will help you to understand the story in easy way, and dot will not create in your brain if you are learning the hard word meaning, because it's so important. So I mean to say, you will have to read page number 3, and in next class page number 4 I will teach. So page number 3 you have to read, and in next class quickly he drew his knife. From here we have to read and we have to study. You will have to understand in which circumstances it is created. So through warm-up we have understood, but after knowing the theme, after knowing the summary, we can better understand the story about the sniper. It's so important, so try to read it more and more till you have studied in the class. Okay, thanks.